Think your Android phone is getting slower with age? Before you uninstall apps or consider buying a new device, try this hidden setting that many Android users never discover. It won't increase your processor speed or add more RAM, but it can make your phone feel significantly faster by reducing the time spent on screen animations. How to change the setting? Step 1. Launch the Settings app on your Android phone. Step 2. Scroll to the bottom and tap About Phone. On some Android devices, you may need to open System first. Step 3. Find Build Number and tap it 7 times quickly. Your phone may ask for your PIN, password, or pattern. After entering it, you'll see a message saying that Developer Options has been enabled. Step 4. Return to the main settings menu and open Developer Options. Depending on your device, it may be located inside the System section. Step 5. Scroll down until you reach the Drawing section. Step 6. Locate and open each of the following settings. Window Animation Scale Transition, Animation Scale Animator Duration Scale. Change all three from 1x to 0.5x. For an even faster experience, you can set them to off, but many users prefer 0.5x because it keeps the interface looking smooth while still feeling much quicker. Why this works? Most Android phones use animations whenever you open an app, switch screens, access settings, or navigate menus. These animations are designed to make the interface look polished, but they also add a small delay to almost every action you perform. By reducing the animation scales to 0.5x, those visual effects complete in half the time. The result is a phone that feels more responsive, with apps opening faster and menus appearing instantly. Every tap receives quicker visual feedback, making the entire device feel smoother and more efficient. That's it. This quick tweak makes your Android feel faster, smoother, and more responsive in seconds. Try it today and enjoy a speed boost without installing any extra apps.